Did you know that TenZ is banned forever from eating M&Ms because of a one silly story with Kyedae? Here's what happened.
I'm barred from eating M&Ms right now.
Wait, why is that?
So Kyedae and I went to Costco.
Okay.
And they have like, Costco always has like family packs or like value packs.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
really big, right? Yeah. So we bought
You
this.
finished the whole fucking thing in one night.
One sitting.
One sitting.
We bought the M&M like value pack. It's like this big.
Yeah.
I'm sitting there just grabbing handfuls of M&Ms and just eating. And then Kyedae's like, you ate the whole thing. I'm like,
Oh my
all
god.
right.
You didn't even notice either.
No, I didn't even
You're just
notice.
like-
I was just doing it.
Dude, I would throw up.